this is Momo and welcome to Mastic Art TV. This episode I'm here at PorscheDesign with Ted to introduce something very special and very unique. Stay tuned.
Well, my name is Taj and I'm the PorscheDesign manager in Qatar. It's really an opportunity that these guys are here and I'm getting a chance basically to talk about the brand. It's really wonderful.
Can you give us a little bit hint of what's PorscheDesign?
PorscheDesign is contemporary, is iconic. It's a legendary brand. All of us who are associated with the brand, they're basically we're obsessed with it. It has such a passion. It's really iconic. The quality, functionality, everything with it. It's not just a fashion brand, but it's something which gives you a lifestyle. You know, it lets you live and enjoy the luxury and the sports of it.
This info for the guys asking about why PorscheDesign products are very expensive.
It's not expensive. I would say the quality you buy, it is worth spending that much money. But it's something which you can actually keep it for a very long time. You can pass it to your children. I mean, it's an amazing product to give as a gift. It has a value, and at the same time, you've got Porsche legend with it.
We are here to review the new epic gadget. It's Porsche 911 Soundbar. It's epic.
It's a product which no one has ever thought that could actually exist or could come into an existence. Everyone knows the legendary 911 GT3. PorscheDesign, the designers have come up with this product with an idea. Let's use the exhaust of 911 and make something out of it. With all of their experience and technology Porsche has, they've come up with a soundbar. What they've done is they've converted the exhaust into a music system. It's something which even I was surprised when I knew it first. It's an amazing product to keep it in the living room. The exhaust is actually a subwoofer of the music system with 200 watt power, and then amazing technology used. You can connect any of your gadgets like mobile phones, your television, your MP3 players. So something which you can proud to keep it in your living room.
Is it really like the original exhaust of the Porsche 911?
Definitely. It is really, really raw. It has the parts which you can really see being soldered. That's the beauty. It has to be raw. If I do polish it, if it's a clean finish, then there's no point of having it. So it's completely raw. That's the beauty of it. And it's 911 GT3's product.
I'd like to ask you when it will be available, because when I check PorscheDesign website, not ready for the buyers.
Yes, we've got a demo piece which we've been displaying in our store, which you can see right now. The production is started and we are taking the orders. In April, we should have the first delivery. We've got few pieces left. We've got amazing response from the market. Most 80% of my order has been booked
very high
already.
demand, right?
Yes, just few pieces left.
We will try it and you will hear the sound quality of this piece of art. Can you tell our audience how much it will be? It's not the time to talk about the price, but actually a lot of people would like to know.
No, that's not a problem. I would love to share the price. The price we have actually kept for this product is really reasonable with the technology we are offering. Part of 911 GT3 legendary car. We are retailing it at 12,200 Qatari riyals, and obviously if anyone is interested, we can talk about it. I would love to offer some.
the maximum level? What's the maximum level? It's incredible. Okay, thank you Taj. We'll see you again.
Definitely.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos.